ninth lesson, money. You know how to count the coins. Okay, last year we studied how to count the coins and notes also. So here, if you don't know to count, you take some coins from your house and count. I told you to buy some things from the shop also. Then you can know how to give and buy things from the shop. So here in this chapter, we are going to study how to add the amount. Okay, and how to less the amount and how to add the given amount. So first one, textbook activity that we already studied last year. Adnan brought the following items with notes and coins. He had his money bag. Draw notes and coins that are needed to pay each item. So there are 890 rupees for this bat, cricket bat. So you draw the coins and notes. You know which are the notes are there? 5 rupee notes is there, 10 rupees there, 20 rupees there, then 50 rupees, then 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 2000 rupees, and 500 rupees also there. So if you don't know, see the coins and notes, you can ask your parents and ask them to show the notes and coins. Okay, so here 890 is there. So here which are the notes and coins we are used for this 890. So we can first you can write 500. So 500 rupee we can use 500. 500 note we can use. Then which you can use? Then 200. Then 100. Now it is 800. Then you can use 50. 850. Then 870. Then 890. This way we can do the next activity. Which are the notes and coins we can use? Okay, any notes we can use. You can use 500, 1000, 100. Any coins also we can use. Okay, then you can do the activities. Then what was the total amount paid for cricket bat and the school bag? So here cricket bat is 890, school bag is 607. You can add this amount and write here. Add that amount and write the answer here. Next, Adnan's father gave him half of the money required to buy the cricket bat. How much money did your father give? So half of 890. So you can already studied how to take the half. You find out the half of 890. Okay. Before adding this money, first you want to study 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 1 rupee coin is there, that is equal to 100 paise. You want to study that first. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Then 250 paise is equal to 1 rupee. If you add 250 paise, you get 1 rupee. That is 250 paise is equal to 100 paise. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 250 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Then we can add some amount. 1 rupees 37 50 paise plus rupees 21 50 paise. You want to add this two amount. So before I add this number, first you write here 37. This 37 rupees 0.50. It is 50 paise plus here how many rupees? 21. So we write here 21 below 37 plus 50 paise. Then you can add these numbers. How will you add? 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So here you can take this. If it balance, you take 1 here. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Don't write two numbers here. Okay. So you can write only one number. So here 0. Then this balance you can write here. Then you can add 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 3 plus 2, 5. So the answer is 59 rupees. So here 37 rupees 50 paise plus 21 rupees plus 50 paise is equal to how many rupees? This rupees sign, okay? That is 59 rupees. One more question. Rupees 325 55 paise plus rupees 23 plus 35 paise. So you can add this number first. First we can write 325 rupees plus 55 paise. Then you can write here. Then 23 plus 35. 23 rupees and 35 paise. So when you're writing 23, I already told when write when the according to the place value. So here 3, this is only 2-digit number. So we write below, don't write below 3, you write below 2 here. You can write 23 here. Then here you write, when you're writing this, you can start from this side. Okay, here you have to start from here. So there simply write 35. Then you can add, don't write below 3, you write 5, 1's place and 10's place. Here only 2-digit number. Then you can add 5 plus 5 is 10, balance 1, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 90. Here 5 plus 3, 8, 2, 2, 4, 3. So how many rupees? 348 rupees and 90 paise. Okay. Next we can study the subtraction of this rupees 67 25 paise and rupees 36 10 paise. How will you subtract? First you write the 67, the 67.25 minus this 36. You write here 36.10. Then you can subtract 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 3. So how, what is the answer? Rupees 31.15 paise. Okay, so rupees 31 and 15 paise. This way you can subtract the numbers. Next we can subtract this one, that is rupees column 735 and paisa 45 paise and 55 paise and 18. We can subtract this number. So when you're writing, I told if it is 2-digit number, write according to the place value. That is here 1's and 10's. Then you can subtract this one. So we already studied, if it is smaller number, we can't subtract from smaller to bigger. So how it is here? 5 minus 8. So we can't subtract 5 minus. What will you do? You take 1 from here, this space. Okay. So from 4 you can take 1. So what is number here? Here will be 15. Then you subtract 15 minus 8. That is 7. Then here which number? You take 1 from here. Here will be 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 27. Then you can subtract 5 minus 5 is 0. Here also we can't subtract from here. So we take here 3, 13. Here will be 6. 13 minus 5 is 8. And this 6 here. What is the answer? 680 rupees and 27 paise. This way you can do the textbook activities also. Next we can do the textbook activities. Add the given amount and one is done for you. So you can do this whole activities. I show in the examples. So you can look that and find out the answer. This to subtraction and addition of this activity.